These end tables were $15 each at our thrift store. They're alright, but I think they could be better. First I cleaned them and then I had to fix all of the chipped wood. I just used regular wood filler for this since all of the repairs were very minimal. When I filled in these two bigger areas, I found out that the wood was loose, so I put some wood glue in the cracks and then I taped the wood down with some painter's tape while the glue dried. Since the sides of the tables all had wood slats, I thought I would add some more to create a more trendy look. So I bought some 1/4-inch square dowels, cut them to size, and attached them. The next day I removed all of the tape and I was a little bit worried that the tape would hold all of the dowels in place, but they were all glued on really well. One or two of them shifted a little bit, or maybe it was just my bad placement, but I'm honestly just choosing to ignore that, and it can be on the back, right? Then I played a game of repairing the damage again and again until everything was fixed. And then I continued sanding all over the tables to roughen up the surface so the paint would stick better. Then we took the tables outside and sprayed a coat of bin shellac based primer all over them. These two tables took one whole can of primer. And this can of primer is not cheap right now. After an hour, the primer was completely dry, but one of the most annoying things about spraying the primer is that it dries with a really rough texture. So I sanded it all again. Then I painted them in Heirloom Traditions paint in the color Spruce. I really wanted to paint these black, but I thought the wood details would be lost, so I went for the shade of blue instead. And yeah, in between coats of paint, I sanded everything down again to make sure that it all felt nice and smooth. And here's what they look like now. Super cute, huh? A little trendy, but not overly trendy, right? What do you think of this color? It's a little bold, but it's muted, so it's not too much in your face. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.